a very humble man, and actually I can testify that. Very humble man. Those of you who have gotten a chance to be near him, you know that he's a very humble man.
I got a call that meet Honorable Kabanda. He's the commander now, ground commander. And I'm sure most of you in this tent, you came because of Honorable Kabanda's instruction. And I want to tell you as I give him the mic, it has never been real. It's now more real.
Thank you for listening to President Museveni. The command says that he become the Speaker of the Federal Parliament.
We are happy today that God has answered this call. Somebody's opportunity cannot be closed.
I am extremely happy to be at his home, jubilating, celebrating that.
President Museveni, the national chairperson w'ekibiina, bw'atuwa endorsement, ye yatuwa n'endorsement ya Oweekitiibwa Anita Among, ye tugitambulirako. So tulowooza nti Parliament egenda kutambula bulungi nnyo mu direction entuufu eggwanga ligize.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.